Are you on the hunt for the ultimate Android phone in 2024? Look no further. In this detailed comparison, we'll dissect the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, both vying for the title of the best Android smartphone. As we approach January 17, 2024, the official unveiling of the Galaxy S24 series, leaks and rumors have provided a glimpse of what to expect. Samsung is introducing the highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and camera system enhancements, including an improved zoom camera. Let's dive into the features that set these flagship phones apart and help you decide which one deserves a spot in your pocket. Design and display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to maintain its signature squared shape, a rear camera setup with 4 lenses, and a combination of metal frame and glass panels. Rumors hint at the use of a titanium frame, adding style and potentially reducing weight. The design shift might result in a device weighing around 233 g, making it lighter than its predecessor. In contrast, the Pixel 8 Pro sports a clean and flat display, departing from the curved screens of previous models. Both phones integrate fingerprint scanners into their screens, with the Galaxy using an ultrasonic scanner and the Pixel opting for an optical one. Display technology. Samsung, renowned for its displays, is expected to deliver a 6.8-inch QHD Plus panel with a refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz on the S24 Ultra. The use of a new M13O LED panel and a reported peak brightness of 2600 nits could set it ahead of the Pixel 8 Pro's 6.7-inch Super AMOLED folded screen with a peak brightness of 2400 nits. Samsung's S Pen, offering input functionality and support from integrated and third-party apps, adds an extra layer of versatility to the Galaxy screen. Performance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to debut with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, surpassing the Pixel 8 Pro's Tensor G3 chip in raw power and gaming performance. While the Galaxy's performance is promising, it's worth noting that some markets might receive a version powered by a Samsung-made Exynos processor. The software longevity battle sees the Pixel 8 Pro offering an impressive 7 years of support, compared to the Galaxy's 4 and 5 years for OSE and security updates, respectively. Camera systems. Both phones boast impressive camera setups. The S24 Ultra is rumored to feature a quad rear camera arrangement, including a 50MP5x periscopic telephoto lens, while the Pixel 8 Pro sports a triple rear camera setup. The Galaxy aims to enhance its AI capabilities for improved zoom quality and innovative photo editing, challenging the Pixel's prowess in this area. Battery life and charging. The S24 Ultra is expected to house a substantial 5000 mAh battery, potentially delivering superior battery life compared to the Pixel 8 Pro's 5050 mAh battery. Samsung is also anticipated to lead in charging speed with 45W wired and 15W wireless charging, outpacing the Pixel's 30W wired and up to 23W wireless charging. Conclusion. In conclusion, both the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and Google Pixel 8 Pro offer compelling features, catering to different preferences. The Galaxy excels in hardware, display technology, and potential battery life, while the Pixel stands out with extended software support and a clean Android experience. Whether you prioritize cutting-edge hardware or long-term software updates, these Android titans are set to dominate 2024. The choice ultimately depends on your preferences and priorities. Let us know in the comments which phone you believe will be the AI king of 2024. And for more updates, check out our channel. Until next time, peace out.